Alright, here we have a big long expression that looks very confusing and very hard. But when you check it out, it's actually very easy. So we're going to apply the distributive law same way. You look and you see a bracket and there's something on the outside of the bracket that itch on to the bracket, right? So there's a bracket and there's something directly in front of it. So if you look over here, so same thing. There's another pair of brackets and when you look, you see something directly itch on to it. But how are we going to do this? Don't fret. Follow the same distributive property. Watch what happens now, So I'm going to focus here first. Minus 3 is on the outside, and this 2p is on the inside. So I know I'm going to have to multiply those. Right? Then there's minus 3 on the outside and a minus 4t on the inside. So I know I'm going to have to multiply those. When I come on this side too, there's a positive 2 on the outside and a minus p on the inside. Those two have to be multiplied. Then there's positive 2 on the outside and a minus 3t on the inside. I know I'm going to have to multiply those two. So help me. Negative 3 times 2p will give me negative 6p. Remember now, a negative number times a positive number will give me a negative answer. And remember, I'm multiplying a number as well as a variable. Now a negative 3 times a negative 4t, negative times negative number will give me positive. 3 times 4t will give me 12t. You think we finish? No, we're not. We have another bracket to finish. Positive 2 times negative p will give me a negative 2p. Remember, positive number times negative number give me a negative answer. Let's look at the blue one now. Positive 2 times negative 3t will give me a negative number. So positive times negative gives me negative. 2 times 3 gives me a 6. And remember, it has the t on it. Good, so we have expanded our brackets. But now let's look at it. Are there any like terms? And remember that like terms have the same exact variable raised to the same power. Let's start here. I see a p right here. I'm going to look through to see if I see any more p's. No, that's a t. Not going to use that right now. But look, there's another p. Good. So those two are like terms. So I'm going to rewrite them to group the like terms. I'm going to have minus 6p, and I'm carrying the signs too. Notice minus 6p and minus 2p. I'm going to bring them together. Are there any more like terms in there? Well, when I look, I see t. There's a t right here, 12t. And I look right here, I see a t here, minus 6t. So I'm going to group the like terms. So I'm bringing the sign along with me. So positive 12t minus 6t. Now think about it. I owe 6 potatoes and I went ahead and borrowed 2 more potatoes. That means in all I would have borrowed 8 potatoes. That's where my negative come from. So I owe somebody $6 and I go back and owe them another $2. It means I owe them more. I owe them 2 more than the 6. So if I owe them more, I'm going to have to get a negative 8. Right? And look, I'm putting back my variable. Don't leave off your variable. If it's potato you're dealing with, put back your potatoes. If it's dollar you're dealing with, put back your dollar. If it's x you're dealing with, put back your x. What are we dealing with here? T. So I have to put back my t. But look, I have 12 t's or 12 cup of teas, and my dog came in and threw away 6 cup of teas. How many teas am I going to be left back with? I'm going to be left back with 6 cup of teas. And because that 6 is positive, there you go. I'm going to be left back with a positive 6t. And there you go. Doesn't it look simpler? See now? Much simpler than all of the first part. So remember, what's on the inside of the brackets, we multiply it by what's on the outside. Same here. Then, we look for the like terms and we put them together. And then we group the like terms and simplify.